Wow. That's all I can say, guys. Wow. What a crazy, crazy scramble I just did. Anyways, this is Hans the Ramen Rater. This is Hans, and this is another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles every day. Done 3,000 reviews. It ain't stopping. So today I've got one from Lee Fah Mee from Sarawak. It's what you could call the eastern region of Malaysia, but it's kind of like China and Taipei. They're kind of two different countries. At least everybody likes to consider it that way. Like, yeah. Anyways, this is a chicken abalone flavor variety, and I'm not really keen. I like chicken, but I don't like abalone. And I'm like kind of frazzled. Holy moly. Some craziness just happened. Totally right amidst what I was doing. So it says cook 2 to 3 minutes. I feel like cooking it for 3 minutes. 1 noodle block dumped in the water. 400 milliliters of water, that is. And 1, 2, 3. Let's go. So why, Ramen Rater? Why are you feeling said frazzlement? Well, seasoning sachet, only one. So I got a package yesterday, and I was gonna do a meet the unboxing time, and then a what do you call it? I'm gonna do unboxing time, and then do a couple of these videos real quick. Well, right after I put Mimi down and got everything all set up to do the first unboxing time, knock at the door. Please sign this and print your name, sir. Okay. No, it wasn't like a summons or anything. It was another package, and it was a big one from a company called Food Chung. Yeah, Food Chung in Taiwan, and they sent like a lot of stuff, and that took a little while. So definitely looks like good stuff. And they also make beef jerky. They sent some of that, so I had a few bites of that. It's spicy beef jerky, but it also has this braised beef taste to it, which is rad. The other thing that was a real pain in the ass was, which, I mean, I'm not saying that was a pain in the ass, but it definitely wasn't what I was planning on doing, so it just jumped out at me. I go to turn on my camera, and it won't connect to the computer. I'm like, what? So, turns out the power cable that goes to my powered USB hub, that goes into my battery backup, blah, 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 the power cord got loose. But it's like, the issues to get to there is kind of a pain. I wouldn't be surprised if I'm like just like covered in dust. So that's kind of crummy. So hopefully don't get like, my eyes have been bugging me bad enough already lately. I don't want to get them annoyed even further. But yeah, so it's been kooky is what I would call it. Downright kooky. And now I've got 3 big boxes of, they're flats, they're 12 packs of this new range of spicy cup noodles from Mexico. One of them is called Diablo. I'm like, yeah. So I'm really stoked on that, thanks to Sandra and Ricardo from Nissan, Mexico. And so I got that, and then I've got this other huge box from Taiwan. So it's just like, it's a 2-bedroom. There's not a lot of room, and what room we have, we're already using. So it's like, okay, gotta figure out what needs to stay, what needs to go, what needs to move here, what needs to move there. Figure it out. I have a feeling there's gonna be some Taiwanese noodles on my side of the bed. for about a week. Huge box. 3 varieties, though. That happens often. But they also sent like bowls and all these different sauces. And they want to know what I think about their stuff. And I want to know what I think about their stuff because I did try the beef jerky. I'll say it. That was hella good. Yeah, I like that. Alright. This is chicken abalone. Cheers. That's odd. The first ingredient in their list of ingredients is abalone flavor. All I taste is chicken. Which I'm like, yeah! Abalone flavor can be a little overwhelming. I'll have to have some chicken abalone sometime. I don't know that I've actually had abalone. That tastes like a chicken instant. Honestly. Which, you know, right at this exact moment, I'm okay with, because I really... I don't know. There we go. And today we are going to add some, since it's from Sarawak, some tofu puff. Because I think they would like it there. And some sprout. Some springs. And specially made for this, some chicken. So there you have it. That's what's going on today. I know, right? Not extremely exciting, but that might be tomorrow's. Might be a little more exciting for you. So keep calm and watch tomorrow's video, right? Right. Alright, well, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If you enjoyed this, maybe perhaps you'd enjoy one of these, more or less. Go watch it right now with a loved one. If you don't have a loved one, watch it with an enemy. They may become your friend. And yeah, click subscribe, click notify, do all that fun stuff. And this has been Hans, once again, telling you, keep it groovy. Later.